This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Unclip the support prop from the wing and engage the end with the hole in the underside of the bonnet. Fully apply the handbrake, then position a jack under the reinforced section of the front door sill and raise the vehicle. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill. Position a suitable container under the engine sump, then slacken and remove the slump plug. Allow the old engine oil to drain into the container. Remove the old sealing washer from the sump drain plug, then clean the plug and fit a new sealing washer. Clean the area around the sump drain hole, then refit the drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Using a suitable socket, unscrew and remove the oil filter housing cap. Lift the old filter element from the housing. Be prepared for fluid spillage. Wipe clean the inside of the housing. Remove the old sealing ring from the filter cap, then wipe it clean and locate a new sealing ring into the groove in the cap. Lubricate the new sealing ring with a little clean engine oil. Insert the new filter element into the cap, then lubricate the small sealing ring on the end of the filter extension. Manoeuvre the filter and cap into position, ensuring the filter extension locates in the hole at the base of the housing. Tighten the filter cap to the specified torque. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Pull the engine oil level dipstick out and wipe it clean. Rotate the engine oil filler cap 90 degrees anti-clockwise and remove it. Using a funnel to help minimise spillage, add the correct grade and quantity of oil to bring the level up to the maximum mark on the dipstick. Check the engine oil level frequently on the dipstick. Do not overfill. With the level correct, insert the dipstick and refit the filler cap. Start the engine and run it for a few minutes. Check for leaks around the oil filter seal and the sump drain plug. Note that there may be a delay of a few seconds before the oil pressure warning light goes out when the engine is first started, as the oil circulates through the engine oil galleries and the new oil filter before the pressure builds up. Stop the engine, allow the oil level to settle for a few minutes, then pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean and recheck the oil level. Top up as necessary to bring the level up to the maximum mark. When the oil level is correct, reinsert the dipstick and refit the oil filler cap. Detach the support prop from the bonnet and clip it into place on the wing. Firmly lower the bonnet and check it's secure.